I'm going to show you how to get this to fit into that. First, you put it there, make sure response is good, throw her up, mark there, put her back, line her up like that. Grab a wee piece, put it up, mark it, same thing, doesn't fit, flip her sideways, mark one side, mark the other, put that there, connect it. Nope, I wasn't really connected. Drop her down. Drop that down. Same as that. And reach it. Same as that. Exit. Good. Open up the fucking door. Measure. Miss to that. That's 11.5. Make sure you cut that back a wee bit, give yourself fucking room. Measure that to that, that's 11. So 11.5 till 11, so you go 11, 11.5, do that, you get a board, you do this, do that, mark it, there's your piece, now you cut it, watch this. Now, you want to close the door, put it in there, slap her down, check, good, and put it over, and that is how you get this to fit into that. Like and follow.